to JH Cooking. In today's video, I will show you how I make a delicious marinated chicken wrap. Everything you will need for this recipe will be posted in the description below. For this recipe, you will need 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 heaping tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, and about 1/4 cup of olive oil, and 1/4 cup of vinegar. Mix these together well. Pour over and mix well into 4 skinless deboned chicken thighs. And refrigerate overnight. A quick reminder, always wash your hands before and after handling any raw meat or foods of any kind. Now that your chicken is marinated, preheat a pan to medium heat. You won't need any oil since you have oil in your marinade. Cook your chicken on both sides, about 10 minutes per side, turning ever so often. Your chicken is done once your juices run clear, or if you're using a meat thermometer, cook your chicken until it reaches an internal temperature at 165. Place into a bowl, cover with foil, and set aside. Carefully slice your cucumber into thin slices and then into quarters. Dice cherry tomatoes in half. Slice and chop your chicken into little pieces. Now top with tzatziki or your favorite dressing, and this dish is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. Please like and subscribe for future updates, and have a nice day.